In the next 10 minutes, you will learn a safe offboarding flow for Atlassian Cloud, so you can deactivate or remove a departing user's access without breaking Jira or Confluence ownership, workflows, or accountability. This is for Atlassian org admins, user access admins, and Jira and Confluence site admins. If you need to lock down access fast, save licenses, and keep projects clean, this video is for you. By the end, you will have a practical checklist you can repeat every single time someone leaves. Hey, I'm Marvin. I work as a technical support engineer and DevOps at Resolution. I spend a lot of time helping teams clean up Atlassian user access, especially when someone leaves and suddenly the name is everywhere. And yes, we're trying to make offboarding boring. Because in IT, boring means stable. Also, boring means you don't get paged at 3 a.m. by a Confluence page owned by former user. Today, I will show you what happens technical when a user is removed, the risks in Jira and Confluence, and a best practice offboarding flow. And we will do a quick demo, offboard a leaver, reassign ownership, and keep history intact.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
Picture this. It's Friday at 4 p.m. HR pings you. Alex left today, can we remove access? You do the responsible admin thing. You click deactivate or remove and you think done. Then Monday hits. Jira issues are still assigned to Alex. Confluence content feels ownerless. Mentions and accountability get fuzzy. And someone asks, who owns this? And the answer is, well, apparently ghosts do. Offboarding isn't hard because of one button. It's hard because identity is connected to work, ownership, assignments, approvals, history, audit trails. So the goal is simple. Remove access, keep accountability. Let's separate the actions admins commonly mix up. 1. Suspend access. Yes, that's good when you want a fast logout that's easy to reverse. 2. Remove product access or remove app access. This is often the best license-saving plus safety move. You remove access to Jira or Confluence without destroying the user's identity record right away. 3. Deactivate or delete the account. Deactivation can be reversible, depending on your setup. Deletion is the point of no return kind of action. Use it only when your policy requires it, because it can make attribution less useful later. And here's the big risk. Even when content stays, you can lose clarity. You end up with firmer user and missing contexts. That's how projects get messy. So again, remove access, keep accountability. Here's the safe offboarding flow. There are 3 steps in the right order. Step 1, transfer responsibility. Move ownership and active work to the next real person. Step 2, remove access safely. Reclaim licenses and prevent logins without wrecking references. Step 3, keep proof and consistency. Track what happened and make it repeatable. Ideally automated. To make this scalable, we will use user management and license optimizer. 2 capabilities matter most. Bulk operations for consist actions at scale. And automated task. So recurring offboarding work doesn't depend on memory and coffee. Now let's walk through the exact flow and then I will demo it. Step 0 shows the right offboarding mode. Before clicking anything, decide the intent. If the person might return soon or you're mid-handover, suspend. If they are definitely leaving and you want fast license savings, remove app access for Jira and Confluence. Only go for deletion when policy demands it. Save default-ins, transfer responsibilities. Then remove app access or suspend. And then decide later if deletion is required. Step 1. Prepare like an admin who enjoys sleeping. 2 habits make bulk operation safe. First, think before you act. Make sure you're not operating on stale user data. Especially if you use skim or you have multiple admin making changes. Second, test small, then scale. If you're offboarding multiple users, start with a handful first. Confirm you're selecting the right targets. confirm the actions, do what you expect. Also do a quick dependency check. Is the user a Jira project admin, a Confluence space admin, owner of critical pages, tied to automation rules or integrations? This takes minutes, and it can save hours of cleanup. Let's offboard a leaver named Aaron Syrup. We go into user management and we open the user browser. Here we will search for Aaron and we open the bulk operations. Now we pick a pattern. Pattern A would be license reclaim plus keep identity clean. So we will choose remove app access and select Confluence and Jira. That will remove product access and cleans up app access groups. That's fast life savings, less risk to project context. So pattern B would be a full lockout and it's to suspend the user. Great when you want an immediate block and may restore later. For a typical leaver, I will do now remove app access for Jira and Confluence. Let's switch it here again. It's still selected. And I will also do the optional sync and remove the user from a specific internal group. So I just select remove group and add this temporary group. Now we can click on apply and check the results view. So we can confirm what changed and keep the log for audit and compliance. At this point, access is gone, licenses are freed, and you've got a clean execution trail. But we are not done. Now we prevent project chaos. So offboarding breaks teams when issues still point to the leaver. So we search for open work assigned to Aaron Syrup. Go to our project and just create a small filter with the assignee to Aaron Syrup. Now we'll get all work items which are assigned to the user we want to remove app access. We will now run a bulk change. And we need to go to the filter view, and here we can bulk change work items. Here we will set the assignee to a new user. First we need to select all issues. And we will change the assignee and select another one. And now here these unavailable actions. It's good to deselect the send mail for this update, so nobody gets too many mail notification about this change. We can also see that email notification will not be sent for this update. Otherwise, we will get a lot of mails. And we don't want to spam the company with 300 emails, right? Now we can just click on confirm. And now nobody is stuck asking who's handling this ticket. So let's switch to Confluence. You're usually not trying to delete content. You're trying to keep it usable while making ownership clear. So we open key pages and we will change the owner from old user to new user. And just select the page or space you want to change. Click on the username and change the owner. Here we will choose a new owner and click on change owner. You can also select a team lead or a service owner. This keeps page history, comments and context intact. And it ensures a real person is accountable going forward. And importantly, we did this before any hard deletion decisions that might make attribution less clear. So let's recap the safe offboarding checklist. 1. Transfer responsibility. In Jira, reassign open issues, assignee and possible reporter. In Confluence, transfer page ownership where needed. 2. Remove access safely. Remove app access for Jira and Confluence or suspend the user. And confirm results in logs. 3. Make it repeatable. Use bulk operations for consistency. Use automated tasks so the process runs reliably. Even when you're busy. Your admin takeaway is simple. Clean offboarding without project chaos. License saved, access removed. Responsibility reassigned, history preserved. Next step. Take this flow, turn it into your team's standard operating procedure. Save it as a checklist And if you can, automate the predictable parts. So the next Friday 4 p.m. lever is a 2-minute task, not a 2-day cleanup. Thanks for watching, and may your offboarding always be boring.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time.